Hello friends, now we will see how to prepare a student's marks memo in Excel sheet using Excel sheet. Okay, yeah. First, we have to open Excel sheet. So how to open MS Excel? The process is first click on Start and next click on All Programs and then select Microsoft Office and from the drop down list select Microsoft Excel. Just click on that. So now in this video I don't want to explain all the basic things about Excel sheet because everybody has some knowledge about the Excel sheet, right? So that's why I don't want to explain all these things. Directly, I am entering into the concept. What is our requirement to prepare the students' marks memo? Nothing but students' marks list, right? So first select the A cell. We all know that, right? It is column, it is row, and the column, the row, the combination of the column and row is called as a cell in Excel. It is a cell. Just place the mouse pointer here and press the left click. Just drag it like this. Using left click on the mouse, just drag it like this. Right. Then click on merge center. Are you looking this right? Click on merge center. I need some space to put heading, right? Click on this merge center. See the difference. Here is no columns, no rows, right? It is blank. So here we will put the heading. So then go to insert tab, insert menu, and click on word art. Word art. So click on this. Select the style, whatever you wish. I am selecting this. Right. Just type the text there. Students marks memo. And then select it and drag it like this. Students marks memo. So in the process of creating students marks memo, we have to maintain some headings, and those headings are, it means serial number, next student name, next HT number. HT number means hall ticket number, and next subjects. Telugu, Hindi, English, Maths, Science, Social. So all the subjects we have got, right? Telugu to social. Next, total. AVG. AVG means average. MIN. MIN means minimum. MAX means maximum. And the final one is result. So these are the headings which we have to maintain while preparing a student's marks memo in Excel sheet. Right. First one is serial number, student name, hall ticket number, subjects Telugu, Hindi, English, Math, Science, Social, and then total, average, minimum, maximum, result. Now enter the data about the students. Serial number 1, student name is just assume Manikanta, and his hall ticket number is 155225. Right. So in Telugu, Manikanta has got the marks like 78, in Hindi 74, English 58, Maths 69, Science 55, Social 99. So we have entered the marks. Then we have to calculate the total marks of the student, total marks of the Manikanta, total marks of Manikanta, right? So from here, the formulas will be start. So just try to remember the formulas. Like we are calculating total, right? First, equal to. You have to press on equal to, because without equal to, no formula will execute. No formula, we cannot execute any formula in the Excel without equal to, right? So equal is mandatory to execute any formula in Excel sheet. So equal to SUM. The function SUM represents that the addition, because we are going to totaling all the marks of the student, right? So that's why I am taking SUM calculation. SUM means addition, that's all. Open bracket. Now we have to calculate from Telugu to social marks, right? I am not going to select all this Telugu, Hindi, English, math, science, social. Just I have to select from this range to this range, Telugu range to social range. How to select these ranges? First, see, Telugu is in column number D. Just select the column number, the column letter and row number. It is in D column and the row number is 12. Select the D 12. We have to use semicolon in between first range and last range. Remember that we have to use a semicolon between from range and to range, right? D12. D column name is D and row number is 12. This is column name and this is row number. The Telugu column name is D. The row number is 12. Next, what is the column name of social? I, right? Then I. What is the row number? Row number will be same. Just column names will be changed, but there is no change in row numbers. D, I, 12, social. If you observe, the blue mark is there, right? These are all selected. Just I have selected the range of two cells, first cell and last cell, which I am going to calculate. That's all. Then press on enter. The total marks of the students is 433. Right? Just observe the formula equal to SUM. SUM means addition, and then open a bracket and then select from range to range, which you want to calculate. From range is Telugu. Telugu column name is D. The row number is 12. And then social. Social column name is I and the row number is 12. Then close the bracket and hit enter. Right? The marks will be 433. Next, I want to calculate the average of the Manikanta. Then what is the formula means? Here, total marks by total subjects. What are the total marks here? 433 by how many subjects are there? 6. Then click on enter. Press on enter. The average marks of the student is 72%. 72% marks he got in the 10th class. Next, I want to calculate the minimum marks of the student. Minimum marks of the student, right? Then if you want to execute any formula in Excel sheet, you must use the equal. You must use equal to before the formula. Now E is equal to MIN. Just I am entering like this, MIN, because I want to calculate minimum marks of the students, right? So that is why I am entering MIN. Open bracket. Here also select the from range to range. D 12 colon I 12. Then close bracket. The meaning of the formula is equal to, I want to calculate minimum marks from D12 to I12 range, right? Then press on enter. The minimum marks will be 55. Observe it. 78, 74, 58, 69, 55, 99. Among these marks, 55 is less, right? So that's why minimum marks are 55. Then, in the same way, I want to calculate maximum marks. Then equal to MAX. Just I am entering like this MAX because I want to calculate the maximum marks of the students, right? So just max open bracket, enter from range to range, D12 colon I12. Then close the bracket and press on enter. The maximum marks is 99. Observe 78, 74, 58, 69, 55, 99. 99 is highest marks. Then I want to calculate the result. This is a little bit big formula. Just try to remember. Just understand the logic. Equal to IF open bracket MIN open bracket D12. Don't worry, I will explain. D12 colon I12 close bracket greater than equal to 35 comma double quotation start PASS pass double quotation close comma again double quotation starts FAIL. So the meaning of the formula is, so IF means here IF means information. I want some information about I am going to calculate the results of the students on the basis of minimum marks. If the minimum marks are from range to range, I want to calculate the minimum marks from this range to this range, right? If these marks are greater than or equal to 35, then show me the pass. These marks are greater than or equal to 35 because 35 is the pass marks, right? So these marks are greater than or equal to 35, then show me pass. Otherwise show me the fail. Right? Again, I am repeating. Try to understand. Equal to IF means information. I want the information from this range to this range. I am going to calculate the marks on the basis of minimum marks. Then the minimum marks are related to from this range to this range. If the marks of this range is greater than or equal to 35, then show me pass. Otherwise, show me fail. I hope it is clear to everybody. This is the meaning of the formula. Then press on enter. Right. I forgot that to close the bracket. Just close the bracket and enter. Pass. Because all the marks related to all the subjects is greater than 35, right? There is no 34, 32 like this. All the marks are greater than 35. So that is why the result is pass. Then just try to execute another number 2. And the name is Zakir. Hall ticket number is something like. And in Telugu, 45, Hindi 46, English 78, in maths 25 because I am very poor in maths. In science 74, social 85. Then the total marks equal to SUM open bracket from range is D, and observe here the row number will be changed. Row number has changed, right? D13 colon I13. Enter. Marks 353. Next, average 353 by 6. Total marks by total subject. Then we can calculate the average. Then press on enter. 58%. Next minimum equal to MIN, open bracket, select from range to range, D 13, I 13, close bracket, enter. Next maximum MAX, open bracket, D 13, I 13, close bracket, enter. Observe here, minimum marks are 25, right? And the maximum marks are 85, right? Then we can calculate the results. Equal to IF. That means IF means information. I need some information. Open bracket MIN. Open bracket D 13 I 13. Close bracket. Greater than or equal to 35, comma, double quotation start, PASS means pass, double quotations close, then comma, double quotation starts, FAIL, double quotations close bracket. Again, I'm explaining. Again, I will explain. Just listen carefully. Is equal to IF means information. I need information from minimum marks, and these minimum marks are related to these cells range. I mean D13 to I13, D13 to I13. In between, I need the minimum marks are from in between the range. Then, and these marks, these minimum marks greater than or equal to 35, then show me pass. Otherwise, show me fail. Okay, close bracket. Click on enter, press on enter. Fail because in math he got only 25 marks. So what is the number of pass marks? 35, right? But he got 25 only. That's why he has failed. Zakir has failed. I hope it is clear to everyone. This is the student's marks memo. We can maintain all the data of the students here. The number of data, right? First column is serial number, second column is student name, third column is the hall ticket number, and these are the subjects. Then total, average, minimum, maximum, result. Right? Now I am again explain the formulas. Total equal to, without equal to, we cannot process any equation in Excel sheet. Equal to SUM. SUM means addition. It is nothing but addition, means adding together two objects. D12, I12 means D is the column name of a name of Telugu, and 12 is the row number of row number, right? And I is the column name of social, and the row number is 12. Row number cannot change. Row number will not change, right? Column name is changed, that's all. Column number. And then average. How we can calculate the average? Number of total marks by total subjects, right? Then minimum equal to MIN, open bracket, from range to range. Then minimum marks will be calculated. Maximum equal to MAX, from range to range. I mean from Telugu to social. Then maximum marks will be calculated. Then results. How can we calculate the results if the minimum marks are related to these range from social to Telugu or greater than or equal to 35, then show me pass, otherwise fail. So that's why Manikanta has got all full marks. There is no 32, 33, like 25 like this. So that is why he has passed. But Zakir is very poor in maths. He got only 25 marks. So that's why he has failed. Okay. This is how we maintain students' marks memo in Excel sheet. I'm hoping all are clear about this. So, thank you, friends.